There's another way in which you could create your own QR voice code, and that would be to actually create with your voice. Now, the easiest way would be if you had your own um, MacBook, or I have not tried this, but I would think that if you had a QuickTime Player that on your PC, that you could do the same thing. If you look up here with QuickTime Player, when I go to File, I can actually create a new audio recording. Now I can't show you that right now because this is how I'm making this screencast, but I would assume that um, if you had QuickTime Player on your PC that you could do the same thing. The thing about this, of what I'm going to show you, is if you have an iPad, you want something that's going to be compatible with the iPad. If you have a tablet of another kind, then we're going to have to make sure that whatever you create is compatible with that tablet. So most of the time, when I create any type of screen recording, it's compatible for both PC and the Mac, which is wonderful. So that's something that you'll have to consider when you're making this. But anyway, if you use QuickTime Player, you can go to New Audio Recording and record your directions, and then I'm going to show you what you can do. So I've already recorded some directions, so now I'm going to go into my Google Drive, and it's just like I showed you earlier with the movie, with the video. You would upload it by going here and finding your file, and then I created it right here. You would just click on it and press open, and it would upload right here. So I've already done that, so I'm going to just click right here, and I'm going to go to share, and I've changed this to anyone who has the link. So let me click on it again just so you can see. When you click on change, you can create it however you want. I just want with anyone with the link. I'm going to save that. I'm going to copy this link right here, press done. I'm going to go to create a QR code, and I'm going to paste it in here, and then I'm going to create my QR code. And I'm going to go and show you what it looks like once the kids scan it. So let me move this over so you can see, and I can see the QR code. So I'm going to go to my scanner, close this out. I'm going to scan this real quick, and I'm going to go to the URL, and it'll say unable to process this video. Just click on download, and it should come up. In the Word Building Center, you will need to choose a word, build the word with magnetic letters, and write the word on your recording sheet. So as you can see, that way is probably the easiest way because it works. We have Google Drive, you have you could get the QuickTime Player, and but we have to make sure it works on the PC. So I'm going to come back to the other way that I want to show you, which I'm going to go ahead and make this video, but I may end up having to do some things in the district because I don't know if this is blocked or not. This is called SoundCloud. It actually has an app that you can create your own recordings. The problem with the app is I cannot get a link. I have to have a link to create a QR code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in And usually I just log in with my Facebook account. I'm going to connect. Well, I don't know why it's doing that. Let me just sign up with Facebook so it'll be fast. And I want to show you how to do this. Now, I've already tried it. I've already played with it, but I'm going to add a new one. And so I'm going to go to upload. And so I can actually upload a sound or I can record it right here. You get exactly 2 hours of time. And so I'm going to record my voice. I'm going to allow that they have my microphone. In this center, you are to choose a word, build the word with magnetic letters, and write the word on your recording sheet. Oh, I did that wrong. Never mind. I'm going to start over. Oh, start over. In this center, you are going to choose a word, build your words with magnetic letters, and write the word on your recording sheet. Okay, so now I'm going to upload my recording. It says the audio recording on Saturday evening. I'm just going to leave it like that, but you'd probably want to change that. You can upload images, descriptions, tag this, whatever you want to do. I've went ahead and made everything public because I'm not sure what would happen if you don't. So I'm going to just leave it public for now. And I'm going to go to save down here at the bottom. And it'll bring this up and it'll ask me if I want to share. So I click on share and it gives me a link. That's what I need. I need a link. I need a link for my QR code. And so I'm going to copy this link, go to my QR code monkey, and I'm going to paste this link right here and create a QR code. Now I'm going to show you what happens. Let's go to our QR code scanner, scan it, go to the URL, and it comes up, it looks like this, which I really don't know that I like because, I mean, you've got all this sign in with Facebook and Usher stuff. I don't know. I mean, not that I don't have anything against Usher, I just don't want kids to click on anything they're not supposed to. But when you click on this right here, it'll play the sound. Well, it's supposed to play the sound. It did earlier. There. In this center, you are going to choose a word, build your words with magnetic letters, and write the word on your recording sheet. So, as you can see, the other way to me is better. I like the other way better. So if you can actually create a QuickTime audio file of some sort, and there's lots of different ways to make an audio file. There are apps, but you'd have to convert, and that's the deal. Is you want it to be able to play on your iPad, and so .mov is the best way to play on your iPad that I have found. So that's how you create your own voice in a QR code, and I hope this all helps you. If you have any other things that you find out, just put a comment in Zuni. Send me an email. I'd love to hear more ways of how you're creating QR codes.